Hey, good morning everyone. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Well, first thing this morning, we saw some good size buying in the front end. June and Sep, they've traded multiple thousands, 63s and 63.5s in September. And the June contract with LIBOR eking in 0.27800 this morning. We've seen 71s, 71.5s in June Eurodollars trade for decent size as well. Also, the June 97 calls, 1.5s. We've seen some buying there, which is the highest it's been in quite some time. So we still have that idea that LIBOR is going to continue to come in. You'd probably be looking for June to go up towards 99.75. So that 97 call, not even for 1.5, not a bad trade. Also, you might look at doing the 97-98 call spread to try to get a little bit out of those 98 calls. So then you have a 12.5 tick wide spread on. And if June starts to get above 99.75, you can make some decent money off of that. We're still after the data, retail sales market has come down a bit. This 10-year note, this 118.25 area, first level, the pivot today was 28. I also like the 21.5 to 19 area. I think that's where you're going to have some support in the 10-year note. You'd be looking for 119.01.5 to 03 as your first resistance. Then yesterday's high was 9.5. I still like that 119.16 area. Take a shot at selling the market if we get back up there. You do have possibilities that you're building one-day flags after yesterday's nice rally. Still like selling that SEP-D spread for a trade. It should be a little bit better here this morning. It was right around 17 when I was looking earlier. But I'd like to take a shot at selling that, looking for it to come back down to 14 to 11. Above 20, you would probably get a trade back up to 22.5 to 24.5. So keep an eye on that. Open interest, SEP 97 calls increased yesterday, 10,000. We've seen some buying in the SEP 7-8 call spread. March 93 calls up about 19,000. The SEP 92.5 put spread was trading yesterday. Increase in the SEP 95 puts a little over 15,000 today. And the short June 80 puts, big seller in those yesterday, I believe, for 2 ticks. Open interest decreased about 27,000. So you are seeing some put liquidation. I still like looking at those. I would recommend buying some short-dated out-of-the-money calls. Keep an eye on these short Mays. Somebody did the 85.90 squash here a little bit ago. Really don't like selling puts to finance calls. Rather just buy the calls outright. Trading around 4.5 ticks right now. You could have bought 3s the previous day. So if the market leaks here a little bit more, maybe you take a look at buying some of those. That's about it for today. Have a good day. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Thank you.